very interesting game looking at Ghana's
mwihoko wa timu ya Kenya niyo Harambee Stars gukorwo makigira ngucanio cia African Cup of Nations mwaka wa 2019 kule bũrũri wa Cameroon. Niucokerereirie thutha wa uhotani wa Mbao imwe gwa kĩbũgũ magithaka na timu ya Black Stars kuma bũrũri wa Ghana. Kocha Sebastian Minyo rituma na kapteni wake niwe Victor Mugubi wa Nyamondo mwe na David Kalaba Owino. Akurura keja na athaki ake Patrick Matasi Haudumwe na muthaki Ovela Ochieng, Francis Kata, Eric Johana, Michael Olunga katikati ka athaki agege.
Well, good Harambee Stars. This is chipped again to Olunga. They put it in their own net. Harambee Stars.
Thutha mirongo 39 muthaki Nicholas Opoku ni akorirwo agifunga bao yao mwene na gucokereria timu ya Harambee Stars gukorwo makithie kuhuruka matogoretie bao imwe gwa kĩbũgũ.
Blunder. And of course, he's going to take credit for it.
Gĩbindi nĩ gĩakĩrĩ gukorwo gĩcokereria muthaki Joshua Nyango ni akorirwo akionio kadi idune thutha gukorwo gĩthakĩra muthaki wa Ghana ũru.
That the chances that we had, we should have at least converted.
The spirit of the team, with only 4 days, it was not easy to build a good spirit. We can improve a lot for the game, for sure. And with this kind of opponent, it's difficult. But in terms of spirit, my boys gave something incredible.
Whistle, and against all odds, Kenya